Now, what are the physical properties of boron? So, we have seen that boron is quite hard. It shows several allotropic forms, and out of that 4 is a common, and transition between those allotropic forms is also seen. And boron exists as B12, that is icosahedral units are seen that they are linked towards each other. And as far as chemical properties are concerned, we have already discussed its reaction with air, where it is forming B2O3, not reacting in a crystalline form but reacting in an amorphous form at high temperature. And we have discussed its halides also, that is covalent in nature, acting as an electron deficient compound. And we have seen that boron actually combined with nitrogen to form boron nitride, which is called as an inorganic graphite. So till now I think you all are familiar with the chemical properties of boron. So it's time to see the anomalous properties of the boron, that what kind of different characteristics it is shown that that makes it a special element of boron family. That it is smallest of all, exceptionally small size, due to which high ionization energy, no d orbital, so cannot extend its coordination number, harder than all, high melting and boiling point, and we have seen that we cannot convert into B3 positive because require a huge energy which is not present there. And moreover, B2O3 is weakly acidic, and whenever it forms its halides, they are all electron deficient compound. That means they act as Lewis acids. And you are also familiar that what is the order of the different halides of boron, and they are sp2 hybridized. And if we talk about the nature of halides, then it is actually monomeric in nature. Otherwise, if you compare, like boron chloride exists as BCl3. Otherwise, aluminium chloride exists as dimer, that is Al2Cl6. But this kind of dimer thing is not seen in boron. It exists in a monomeric form. The reason, because it is smaller, so it cannot hold 4 big chlorine atoms around it. So that is why it is monomeric, and aluminium chloride is dimer, existing as a dimer. That means 2 molecules actually linked together, that is 2 chlorine by covalent bond, 3 chlorines by covalent bond, and the other 3 are by a coordinate bond. So this is what is the anomalous properties of the boron.